Good morning. So today we're doing lessons 7-11, and we are going to be looking at the weights of state birds. We're going to multiply and add fractional weights to solve problems about state birds. So the very first thing that we are going to do is we're going to convert pounds to ounces. So how many ounces are in 1 pound? It would be 16. There's 16 ounces in 1 pound. So, how will we figure out how many ounces are in 3 pounds? Yeah, we would multiply 16 times 3. And what would we get if we multiplied 16 times 3? Yeah, we would get 48. All right, how about 5? What would 5 times 16 be? Yeah, it'd be 80 ounces. Okay. Now let's think about it. What would 10 be? Yeah, 10 would be 160 ounces. All right, now we're going to converting fractions of pounds to ounces. So for here, there are 16 ounces in 1 pound. 1/2 of 16 is 8, so there is 8 ounces in 1/2 of a pound. Okay? So to find 1/8 of 16 ounces, we're going to divide 16 into 8 equal groups. And so what would that be if we divided 16 into 8 equal groups? Yeah, it would be 2 ounces in each group, so that means that 1/8 of a pound would be 2 ounces. Okay, so 1/8 of a pound plus 1/8 of a pound equals 2/8, or it equals 1/4. So 2 ounces plus 2 ounces would equal 4 ounces. So that means that there would be 4 ounces in 1/4 of a pound. So 3/4 is 3 times as much as 1/4. If there are 4 ounces in 1 pound, then there would be 3 times 4 ounces in 3/4 of a pound. So what would 3 times 4 be? Yeah, it would be 12. So that is our conversion charts. Okay? Now we're going to go on to our math problems. So solve the number story. Use drawings or equations to show how you found your answers. The yellowhammer is the state bird of Alabama. If a yellowhammer weighs 1/4 of a pound, what is the weight of 6 yellowhammers? So what we're going to do is we're going to take 6, because that's how many yellowhammers we have, and we're going to multiply that times 1/4, because that's how much they weigh. 1/4. So if we do that, we take 6 times 1, and we leave our 4 the same. We get 6/4, and then that is the same as what? Yes, it'd be 1 and 1/2. Okay? So our answer would be 1 and 1/2 Now they want to know, is that more or less than 30 ounces? So let's think about this. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. I'm going to put OZ for ounces. That's the abbreviation for it. So that means 1/2 would be, 1/2 of a pound would be 8 ounces. And so 16 plus 8 equals 24 ounces. So, is 24 more or less than 30 ounces? So it would be 24, whoops. "24 is less than 30. So our answer would be less. All right. Let's go to our next one. Solve the number story using drawings or equations to show how you found your answers. What is the combined weight of 3 and 4 3/8-pound neens from Hawaii and 2 7 5/8-pound brown pelicans from Louisiana? So one way we could do this is we could add them together. We could do, so we know that there's 3 of neens and 2 brown pelicans. So we could add 4 3/8. We could add that 3 times. And then for our brown pelicans, we could add that 2 times. All right, so let's add those. So let's add our 4s. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Now we leave our denominator the same. Now let's add our numerators. 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then 6 plus 3 equals 9. So let's make that into a mixed number, a proper fraction. So that would be 13 and 1/8. For our neens from Hawaii, now we'll do our brown pelicans from Louisiana. What's 7 plus 7? Yep, that equals 14. And then what's 5 plus 5? Yep, that'll be 10. We leave our 8 the same. Let's make that into a proper fraction. So we would have 15 and 2/8. Now we need to add because they want to know what is the combined weight, okay? They want to know the combined weight. So we need to add 13 and 1/8 plus 15 and 2/8. And what would that equal? So if we add 15 and 13, we get what? Yep, we get 28. And then if we add 1 plus 2, we get 3. We leave our 8 the same. So our answer would be 28 and 3/8. All right, thank you so much for watching with me today. I'd like you to try problems 4, 5, and 6 on your own.